Welcome to this lesson, where we will evaluate the integral of 1 over x squared plus x plus 1 using the method of partial fraction decomposition. Let's start by identifying the integral we need to evaluate. Here it is, the integral of 1 over x squared plus x plus 1 with respect to x. In order to use partial fractions, we need to factor the denominator, but x squared plus x plus 1 doesn't easily factor over the reals. So we'll use complex numbers to find the roots of the quadratic. Let's solve the quadratic equation to find the roots. Thus, the roots are complex conjugates. The roots are minus 1/2 plus root 3 over 2i and minus 1/2 minus root 3 over 2i. The partial fraction decomposition involves the terms of the form x plus b over x minus each root. Partial fractions will transform the integral into something more manageable. Multiply both sides of the equation by x squared plus x plus 1 to clear out denominators. To find the values of a and b, expand and compare coefficients. Expand the equation by simplifying both terms. Simplify first by multiplying terms of the form x plus b. Collect like terms. Then solve the real and imaginary parts separately, setting the occasional equivalence two groups of coefficients equal. Without going through all of the algebra here, I just want to skip straight to the result. We find that a and b both equal 1 over root 3 when we solve for them. Now that we know a and b, we can integrate each term individually. Each term turns out to be a simple logarithmic integral involving complex numbers which we can solve.